I want to go back to, sabi ko nga, you superstars. I mean, there was a time na ang Araneta Coliseum was just the Apo Hiking Society. At ito, di ba? Manually, the star for all decades.
No, naman.
Di ba? How did you feel during the time na ikay kinukumpara kay Ate Guy?
Ate Guy, kayo.
The one and only superstar. You were, am I right? You were being compared to Ate Guy.
Nakakataba ng puso, pero para sa akin, mula noon hanggang ngayon, nag-iisa lang si Ate Guy.
Oo.
At hindi mo pwedeng ikumpara, hindi pwedeng malampasan, hindi pwedeng matularan. Siya lang talaga yun.
Pero, ang comparison na yun, we must also say, maraming salamat because hindi lahat na ikukumpara Kinora.
Opo, nakakataba talaga ng puso.
May nakita siguro ang tao, kaya sinabi nilang, she is, because I remember the time,
parang siyang heir apparent na gano'n.
Parang gano'n. She is the next. Of course,
nabalitaan ngayon.
The physiology was different, na para bagang she's the next. Pero heir apparent is better. Alam mo si Buboy naman, sa pagkakakilala ko, sabi yung sa akin kanina, kumusta ka? Sabi ko, sexy. Sabi niya sa akin, kung tumatanda talaga, tumatapang. Totoo yun, boy. When, when we grow, I mean, when we add years, to our life, tumatapang tayo.
Yeah, oo.
Tumatapang.
Kasi parang less inhibition na eh.
Tama.
Ganon ang nangyayari.
Oo.
Kaya nga nung tinanong ko, di ba? Usually, pag matatandang tao, pag tinanong, kumusta ka na? Eto, tumatanda. Ano yung sabihin nun?
Right.
Are you giving up?
Yeah. Hindi dapat ganun.
Are you surrendering?
Yeah.
Di ba? Oo, ang sagot ko ay sexy.
Tama naman yan.
Lakas ng loob.
Ganun na rin isasagot ka.
At may sinabi ka pa sa akin kanina, di ba? I've always been. Sabihin mo na, Buboy.
Sabi ko, I've always been uninteresting.
Oo. Kasi he's quiet now, so he has always been uninteresting. Sabi ko, hindi boy ha, I beg to disagree. A lot of people who are quiet are sexy, are mysterious.
True. Tinan mo si Aljon.
Oh!
Quiet.
Kita mo?
Di ba Tito? Quiet siya.
In terms of karanasan, boy, when you were performing around the world, hindi lamang dito sa Pilipinas, kayo, Jim, Danny, lalo na yung Jim, Danny, and you, what was the wildest experience you had?
Anong wild?
No, wild meaning on stage.
Parang na-tense si tatay.
We can also talk about it on stage.
On stage.
Wildest experience with, let's say, followers and fans. Alam mo kung ba't ko tinatanong ito? Because, that proposal that happened in Sydney, for example, when you and Jim were performing, that was something.
Yeah.
Alam niyo yun?
Yeah. The producer told us na may gagawin daw sila on our song. Sabi namin, pero what? Sabi niya, what? Basta just do your song and we will take care of it.
Anong kanta ang kinakanta ni Jim?
Panalangin.
Okay. Panalangin. So kinakanta ni Jim on stage.
Yeah, kasi usually the crowd sings with us.
Right.
Diba? And then there's these two who just stood up and just ran to the stage. Oh, to the stage. Para sabi na, okay, you wanna sing with us? Ganun yung pala. Ano yun? Tapos biglang may proposal siyang nag-propose na sa entablado.
Will you marry me?
Oo, doon sa girlfriend.
Tuloy-tuloy lang kayo ng pagkanta.
Kami naman, parang kasali ba kami?
Okay.
Kasi hindi na kami pwede magninong, ha?
Oo.